How long will it take you to go 80 miles if you're driving 80 miles an hour?
Wouldn't you add 80 and 80? The 160
Yeah,
you put
Charity, you have to answer this question.
How long?
We're 0-3.
Guess on.
How long
They are.
will it take you to go 80 miles if you're driving 80 miles an hour?
I need an A, a B, a C, and a D.
No, there's no choices.
There's no choices. Will it take you to go 80 miles if you're driving 80 miles an hour?
0 seconds. We're going 80 miles an hour.
How long will it take you to go 80 miles?
Oh, I thought you said if you're going 80 miles an hour and you want to go 80 miles.
Yeah.
80 miles.
You're driving 80 miles an hour.
No, 80 miles. How
The answer is how
long?
He was asking his wife how long it takes to travel 80 miles if he's driving 80 miles an hour. Do you know the answer to that?
To 80 miles per 80 miles an hour?
Yeah.
I don't know. What does this have to do with me making you a sandwich?
We gonna fool around later?
Yeah.
If I'm in a car, right, and I'm travelling 80 miles an hour, 80 miles per hour for a full hour, I'm not changing my speed, 80 miles per hour for a full hour, how far have I travelled? No, you can't use a calculator.
Oh, yeah. You have gone 4,800 miles.
4,800 miles in an hour?
If you're going 80, yeah, because you do, because you've got 60 minutes in an hour.
Yeah.
So you're doing 80 minutes. 80 minutes.
No.
If we were driving in a car, listen, if we were driving in a car and we were going 80 miles per hour, how long would it take us to drive 80 miles? What?
I don't know.
80 miles per hour, and you have to drive 80 miles. How long would it take to get there?
I seriously don't know. I said 80 minutes. Tell me the answer.
Come on, you can figure it out. 80 miles per...
You're repeating the question isn't gonna help.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Come on.
80 miles per hour.
Yeah, so how long does it take you to drive 80 miles?
Is this a trick question?
Okay.
80 miles an hour. How long will it take you to get 80 miles down the road?
So this is right, Tanner. You want to go.
It's
60,
right.
It's right. If you want to go 60 miles, if you go 60 miles per hour.
You're going 80 miles.
That's 60 minutes. Because you go a mile in like a minute. So if you went 60 miles, it'd be like 50 minutes. So if you want to go 80 miles and 80 miles per hour, it'd be like 75 minutes. Yay!
So you say it'll take you 75 minutes, 70 or 75 minutes to go 80 miles at 80 miles per hour.
Correct.
And you want to go to college.
No, if you're going 80 miles an hour, how long does it take you to go 80 miles?
Shut up! No, I'm not. I'm asking, well, is that the rate you're going?
Yes. No, think about it. Just do the math.
Okay, 80 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Times 80 How long is like the average rate for a mile at 80 miles?
That's what you gotta try to figure out.
80 miles per hour?
Yep,
And you have to go 80 miles?
How long would it take you to go 80 miles at 80 miles per hour?
I don't get it. This is like how long does it take you to go 1 mile at 80? Like, I don't know the rates. You're not giving me enough equation. Like, you're not giving me enough information to solve this equation. And I don't get what is funny about this question at all, because
You're going 80 miles
per hour.
How long does it take you to go 80 miles?
Are you fucking with us? You're going 80 miles per hour.
80 mph. And you're trying to go... I don't get it. Just please, seriously, just what is
Alright, Jenna, you're going 80 miles. It takes you You're going 80 miles per hour.
Yeah.
How long does it take you to go 80 miles?
I don't know.
Oh.
How the fuck would you know this? This is like.
Are you 5?
You guys are just
Should we tell her the answer?
Yeah, tell her the answer.
It takes an hour.
You're going
80 miles per hour.
How long does it take you to go 80 miles?
That is a stupid riddle. That is a
That's not even a riddle.
That is
It's not a riddle.
If I'm going 80 miles per hour, how long does it take me just to go 80 miles?
I just told you. 1 hour and 20 minutes.
But you're not. Why do you think that? What if I'm going?
God!
No, really, listen.
You're going 80 miles per hour. How many minutes are in an hour?
60.
How many minutes are 80 minus 60 is how many minutes left over?
20.
So, how many minutes is it then? Fucking an hour and 20 minutes. God!
Mom.
What?
Who said that?
Okay, so I asked her the question, how long would it take for you to go, or going 80 miles per hour, if you go 80 miles, how long would it take for you to get there? First she said a minute.
I didn't understand the question.
And then she said 80 minutes.
Okay,
So
let's say
ask
clearly.
again.
I'll ask it, okay?
Ask the question.
You're traveling at 80 miles an hour. How long does it take to go 80 miles? Think about what I said.
80 miles an hour. How long would it take you to go 80 miles?
Yeah.
I don't know.
If you're traveling 80 miles per hour, how long does it take to go 80 miles? Miles per hour, how long does it take to travel 80 miles?
Take out your civil rights
80 seconds? You're close, an hour. It's 80 miles, you're traveling 80 miles per hour. How long does it take to travel 80 miles?
80 miles per hour?
Mm-hmm.
The fuck? I don't get this question. It's like, what the fuck? No, that's not, no. It's like, alright, fuck it. I'm gonna say about 10 minutes.
10 minutes? I already gave you the answer.
Okay, no, you're driving 80 miles per hour. How long will it take you to drive 80 miles? You not know?
10 minutes?
That's not even close. In 80 minutes? I thought you said
No. If you're going 80 miles an hour, how long would it take you to go? This is Gina Googly Amana.
No, wait.
Okay.
This is
common sense. You're going 80 miles an hour.
Yeah.
How long would it take you to go 80 miles? Oh my
Think
god.
80 miles, but it's like, you can go like a minute.
You're fucking retarded. You are fucking retarded.
60 miles in a minute.
Yes,
Or no,
exactly.
Yeah.
60 miles in a minute. 6 miles an hour. That is correct.
So if a person's traveling 80 miles per hour, how long does it take him to go 80 miles?
0.
How is it 0?
Because he's there.
Tell me how to do the calculation on that.
80 times 80 is 0.
80 times 80 is 0.
80 divided
So let me ask the question again. Okay, it's a very simple question. The person's going 80 miles an hour. How long does it take him to go 80 miles?
0. Nothing.
It takes some time, obviously, because he's got to go 80 miles.
Yeah, but he's going 80 miles an hour.
Right.
Oh, 10 minutes.
Have to travel 80 miles at 80 miles per hour. How long will it take you to travel the 80 miles?
8 minutes. Are you serious right now?
8 minutes.
If it takes a mile, a minute if you're going 60, and then you have 6 plus 2 more, so that means 1 and 2 6. So 1 and
2 6 of a minute? What the hell are you talking about?
1 and
Alright, now what's your logic here?
no wait, 1 and 1/3. So then
8 minutes.
If you have to go 80 miles at 80 miles per hour, how long will it take you to travel the 80 miles?
80 minutes. I don't know.
No. I don't know.
Oh, YouTube, here we come.
Okay, if you were running 10 miles per hour, how long would it take you to go 10 miles? Run 10 miles?
Can you run 10 miles? Can a person run 10 miles per hour?
Yeah. Yeah, if they're running fast. I bet Pat could. He's a firefighter. If you're running at 10 miles per hour, how long would it take you to run 10 miles? Like jogging a steady 10 miles per hour.
10 minutes.
I don't think so.
You're just trying to...
No, but how long would... If you're running 10 miles per hour, if Pat was running 10 miles per hour, how long would it take him to go 10 miles?
If you're driving, it doesn't matter. You're still going 10 miles per hour. You're just trying to make me stupid.
I'm not trying to make this.
Okay, Nicole. So, if you're in a car...
I don't know the answer.
And that car is going 80 miles an hour. How long would it take you to go 80 miles?
8 minutes. Duh. Or 10 minutes, give or take. Give or take 8 or 10 minutes.
And how did you come up with that solution?
8, you take away the 0. You take away the 0 and you go a little fast, so 8.
8.
Final answer.
Final answer. 8. Final answer.
Okay. 80 miles.
Don't video me, I'm not dumb.
How long does it take?
45 minutes.
Why would it take 45 minutes to go?
Okay, like half an hour. I don't know, ABs, if you're going 8 miles an hour, that's fast. That's not even legal.
Okay, Ethan, I got a question for you. What? I want to know, if you're traveling 80 miles per hour, how long would it take you to travel 80 miles?
1 hour.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And how do you know that?
Because per and in are like the same thing. So in, 80 miles in an hour is an hour.
Okay, so does that mean you know how long it would take you to travel 60 miles if you were going 60 miles an hour?
In an hour?
You think? Is that what you think?
Yeah.
Are you sure? How sure are you?
Really, really sure.